Good morning. It is November 10th, I think. I am about to do a workout. I just made some electrolytes. On the carnivore diet, it's super important to mix up electrolytes and stay hydrated throughout the day. So we just did that, and now I just got the girls on the bus, and we are going to do a little stretch mobility workout today. I'm trying to take a break from like high intensity workouts. So today we're gonna do a little stretching, maybe do a little bike, a little steady state, and see how we feel. Maybe do some lifting, I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna get this day started. And then after I'm done, I'm gonna take a quick shower, and then we're gonna do a favorite product kind of haul with you guys and show you guys some of my favorite things I use for my hair, my skincare, my makeup, and we're gonna go through that. So, hey buddy. It's just me and the dog right now. So we're gonna get started. I hope you guys are having a great day. This vlog is gonna be really like organizing, getting ready, doing some makeup with you guys, and just kind of just chit-chatting. We're gonna do just a day in the life, relaxing day today. All right, hey bud. So we are cleaning out of the pantry. It's such a mess right now, but I literally got the top organized. Now I'm trying to get all of our like carnivore snacks in place. And then I made this whole spot for new snacks once I go to the store. And then kind of just like juices and old coffees, kind of down here with our protein powders. But the rest of this we are not eating. So I'm either gonna throw this out or I'm gonna put it into the basement. So that we have it like just in case if we need something. I don't want to just throw out good food. Well, not healthy food, but we'll probably put that in the basement, right buddy? Right? And then we are gonna make some space for some new snacks right there. So far, so good and nice and clean. Hey friends, so we are about to get ready for the day. I just changed really quick and we are going to do a little skincare routine right now and try to fix up this craziness going on right now. So right now I have no makeup on at all. I just showered real quick, and I'm gonna put on my vitamin C complex. This serum is really good, and it also just feels so nice and moisturizing. I never think twice about putting this on because it works so well. Also, do not mind my messiness back here. I'm trying to get laundry done today, and it's been a wild morning. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Dime Dewy Day Cream. I just put a little bit of that on. Let everything just settle in and dry in. And so far today, we've been getting a lot of cleaning done. I cleaned out the pantry, the drawers in the kitchen, and kind of bringing all the kids' toys down into the basement. And it's been working out really great. So I put that on, I let it simmer for a second, and then I'm gonna go in with my Hydrate and Refresh Mist. It just feels just refreshing and so good on your face as well. And that's kind of the only face stuff that I use for the morning, and then let that dry in a second. Once that dries in, I actually just bought a new one. It's the Tower 28. I use the 6.0 IE. And this is the concealer that I'm gonna use on my face right now. I'm not doing anything else today, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of this before I run out. I have to go buy Layla a tennis racket, and I have to get some snacks for the chickens, and just putting a little bit under my eye, a little here. And I just did a little self tanner, so I don't want to just go over it with too much makeup. So I'm just gonna do a little bit, just like in spots that I want to cover. I also have to go and fix my nail because one broke, and I don't think I could go 3 weeks without getting them done. So since I have time, I might go get that done. I really like that color a lot. So definitely recommend the Tower 28. Then I am gonna go in with my e.l.f. Eyebrow gel and just shape my eyebrows a little bit. These are just my everyday go-to products. Besides this, I literally don't use anything else except for if we like go to like a party or something. So I did that, and then I'm just gonna go in with my eyelash curler. I have a little bit of mascara on from this morning, so I'm just gonna reapply it. And this is my all-time favorite mascara. It's the Tartelette. It's really good. Just gonna go in with that. Just kind of reapply it. Also did a lot of just cleaning in the garage as well, so I just feel so exhausted this morning. So a little bit of like makeup to help me liven up a little bit is gonna be so helpful. But after this, we are gonna run quickly, grab a coffee, and we're gonna go grab some bagels, get Layla a tennis racket, and also, what else? Yeah, bagels, tennis racket, and coffee. That's like our goal for this afternoon. And then see where the rest of the day takes us. The girls also have religion tonight, so I know it's gonna be a little bit of a hectic afternoon. But I'm gonna go in with my lip tint. And we're gonna, this also literally lasts the entire day. And then I kind of just go on the inside. And then we're gonna go over it with this Gimme Some serum, just to add a little shine. And that's pretty much it. My hair is definitely wild today, so I might leave it up or down, I'm not sure yet. Maybe do another claw clip. But that is kind of what I use for my face. I'm also gonna do another makeup tutorial video on just like more common makeup things that I use when there is like an event we're going to or something like that. But right now, I'm just gonna go in with my other lipstick on here as well. I'm gonna use that. And this is literally like less than 5 minutes. Literally less than 5 minutes. So that was it. Thank you guys for getting ready with me. I'm gonna figure out what else to do with my hair right now, and then we're gonna go run to Starbucks. We're gonna get our nails done maybe, grab some bagels, and grab the chickens some snacks and get Layla a racket. So